everybody, today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make Moroccan carrot salad. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on 4 carrots as you can see here. This will be roughly around 500 grams. You can multiply this recipe if you want to make a bigger portion. The first thing we'll do is give these a peel. I'm just going to use a crinkle cut peeler for this, just to give it a bit more better look. Okay, so that's all our carrots peeled. Next we'll just cut the ends off, and we just want to slice these lengthways. So trust me, a sharp knife comes in handy for this. And a blunt one can of course be very dangerous in the kitchen. Okay guys, so next we're just going to slice these. You don't want to go too thin, but you don't want to go too thick either. And you want to get that semicircle shape. Okay, so that's all our carrots done. So let's move on to our stove. Alright guys, so I've just got a gentle bowl going here in a saucepan. We're going to add our carrots straight in. And we just want to give these a gentle boil for about 10 minutes. Alright guys, so we're at the 10-minute mark now, so I'm just going to turn the heat off. And let's go ahead and drain these. Alright guys, so I've just drained them and rinsed them under cold water. So just going to season this with a pinch of salt now. Next I'm just going to add a couple of cracks of black pepper. Then we'll add 3 crushed garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and we'll add 3 tablespoons of chermoula. So this is just a homemade one, I'll leave the link in the description. And we'll just finish this up with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and about a tablespoon of olive oil. So let's give this a good mix together, get everything well combined. Now you can also check your seasoning at this point. If you want to add a bit more salt or a bit more pepper, go for it. Alright, and we'll just garnish that with just a pinch of fresh parsley. And how amazing does that look? Okay guys, and that was my take on Moroccan carrot salad. Very simple to make and very nice, as you can see. And very delicious. So it's one way to make vegetables exciting. As always guys, please make sure to like, share, subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I have new videos up every week. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. I'll see you all next time.